Okay, so we have VRAR on watch. This one, it just kept rejecting 21. So this one's on watch, but it's way out of my price range, so I don't know if I'll actually trade it. The only other one we have is SPI. This is our leading gapper, and it's already below VWAP. It's been fading since, well, it's been sideways for the most part, but pre-market it faded off its high of around 820, somewhere around there, I'm assuming. So there's not much on watch. I think today's gonna be another slow day, if I'm being honest. I have to wait for something to pop up on the gap scans. BRPM is also hitting the scans here, but not sure what's going on with this one. Still low on volume. I like the 5 and 10 minute though. 1 minute doesn't look the best. Not sure what's going on with this one. But if anything, VRAR is on watch. I don't have much confidence in it just from how it was consolidating here. It didn't want to break 21. It broke like twice and then rejected massively. Well, on this one at least. This one just kind of just rejected real quick. So SPI is the other one, but I'm not really sure what this one wants to do. 5 minutes crossing, 10 minutes crossing. This has been a trend this week so far, where pre-market the move happens and then 5 and 10 minute already trash right out of the gates. So let's see VRAR. BRPM is also moving. And cool, none of my none of my level 2 data is showing, so already having problems here. Yeah, this is pretty laggy already, so don't like that. There's a lot of little stocks like this popping up on the scans, but nothing that looks worthwhile. SPI sideways. 5 minute doesn't look the best though. MULN. So there's a nice breakout on VRAR. Again, I don't think I'm going to trade this one. Massive rejection, hit 21, and now it's rejecting all the way back to 20. SPI rejecting. Let me see what Facebook's doing. Actually, I can potentially take a. Well, this is what I was gonna go for. I was gonna go for the daily high to break. It broke, and now it's kind of rejecting. I don't know. I took a loss on Facebook yesterday. Everything looked great for a move back up. I bought it at like 43. It popped up to like 43.50, and then it sold off like immediately all the way back to 41. I had to take a fat loss on that one. So I'm not sure what happened there. It was just kind of annoying. I got so frustrated. Yeah, so this entire week there's been no follow through, no stocks that have been worth it. Leading gappers are all selling off. and there's just been nothing to trade. Maybe later in the afternoon there's something. I'm not sure. I don't check, but like right now there's just nothing. It's been dead the entire week. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I could take short entries probably. I just don't really short, and my broker doesn't let me short on some stocks anyways. It's a massive rejection here on PROG. Looks gross. And our DY keeps hitting the scans, not sure why. The float on this one's really high. YQ, MULN. So MULN here, low volume, choppy price action, 40-cent spreads just about, like 30 something now. So I like the 5 and 10 minute on this one as well as the 1 minute. It just needs more volume because it's just chopping around here. Okay, so there's a break of 15. I like this one. 10 minutes about a cross here. I like it, but it needs more volume. It doesn't seem like it just seems real choppy. And I want the spreads to tighten up a bit. So now they're 10 cents, 20 cents. But the price action here is just so choppy, 30 cents. One that makes me nervous about this one is, let's just say I did get in. Well, with all this chop, I'm curious as to whether I'm going to be able to stop out. Because right there it went from 1550 all the way back to 1510 on the bid. And then it snapped back to 25. Like, I wonder if I put an order for 25 to sell, if I'll even get filled, or if it's just gonna chop like that. And it's chopping several points at a time. It's not like 1, 2, 3. You know, it's chopping like right there. It went from 25 to 20 to 12. So I mean, it's really chopping around here. I don't like that. We're almost hitting 1,000,000 in volume, but even then, it's still this nasty price action. I'm just, I don't know. I think this one has a lot of potential. 5 minute looks gross now. 10 minutes still looks okay. Let's check our leading gapper. So SPI curling back up here. 5 minutes curling. 10 minutes still making its way, but for the most part, the 5 minute is curling here, which I like. Could get in here on a pullback for the breakthrough VWAP for a break of 7. Might have to take bigger size on this one because it's not a huge mover. So there's the break of 7. Should have got in there at 90. So SPI here for the break of 7. Next 1 minute candle is going to open here. I want to get in on a pullback. Halt level is, I have no idea. It's not showing up for me. This candle is 717. See, I don't want to see this where it's coming all the way back down. Something's going on with my computer. What is going on? I'm getting real hesitant to take a trade because something... First, my charts were lagging in the beginning, and then now it's like flashing. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sure if you guys can even see that, but... like I could have taken my entry here, but... So the next 10 minutes going to open here as well. So if we get a pullback to around 705. Well, we definitely can't get a pullback to 705. Wonder if it's going to touch VWAP and then pop back above. 697 is our support line, so let's see what this one wants to do. 5 minute looks really, really strong though. Let's see if we can get this pullback. Well, broke the high. Okay, well, for some reason the 10-minute MACD is crossing back to the downside, which I don't like. 5 minutes still looks okay. Just not sure why the 10 minutes doing that. Kind of makes me nervous. There's a rip. 7:30 now. All of a sudden it's not choppy, which I can't understand. It's a really nice move here on SPI. Not sure why it just took off if it opened that low. Kind of weird. So I got the pullback I wanted, but kind of nervous to trade it the way it's working here. TRT's popping on the scans. So what makes me nervous on this one is there's so many green candles. It's only had one small pullback candle, but there's so many green candles and it's kind of choppy. I don't know if it's my charts or my platform or what it is. It just feels like everything's kind of laggy right now. It's getting kind of annoying. BRPM is popping on the scans. So this is one that we had on watch this morning. So SPI is pulling back here. Okay, so I can get in here again, or for the first trade, for a break of this high, 735, and then a possible rip to 750. I'm just not like, I'm not sure about this one. If I'm being honest, I don't really like the way it's trading here. So there I would have been in, let's just say hit 39, would have break 40, and then break 50. It's rejecting 40 all the way back to 31 now. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna trade SPI. Not gonna trade this one. BRPM, same thing, doesn't look good to me. APWC, not gonna trade it. EYPT, not gonna trade this one. ODM. Oh no, ODT. Same thing, not gonna trade it. MULN, not gonna trade it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not feeling it today. Nothing's moving how I want it. Want it to move, so I don't know. It's just super choppy. I don't know if it's just my scan or my platform here or what, the application, but it's just super choppy, super slow today. Nothing's really holding up. I mean, SPI made this climb, but now it's just kind of sideways chopping here, and I'm not really feeling that price action. Everything else, like, same thing. It's either selling off or it's just choppy movement. I'm not having it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. We'll see if there's anything this week. Hopefully, maybe it'll be about like a couple weeks ago with DWAC where it was trash all week, and then Friday there was something. So we'll go ahead and see if there's anything tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna wrap it up.